A startup in San Francisco pays $0 to build AI. No engineers, no research lab, no servers, and they just launched a product used by 2 million people. How? They didn't build AI, they rented it. Here's something that sounds obvious once you hear it. You don't generate your own electricity. You don't pump your own water. You don't build your own roads. You just pay to use someone else's infrastructure. AI just became the same thing, and it's turned into a $446 billion industry almost overnight. This is called AI as a service. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it matters for you. There are exactly 3 ways AI platforms charge you money. Number 1, the Netflix model. Pay a flat monthly fee, use it as much as you want. ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, Midjourney. Simple, predictable, easy to budget. Number 2, the taxi meter model. You don't pay a subscription, you pay per use. Every word the AI reads, every image it generates, every API call. This is how developers build startups on top of AI. The more your app grows, the more you pay, which sounds fine, until it isn't. One company left an AI system running overnight by accident. By morning, their bill was $47,000. That's real, that happens. Number 3, the hybrid model. Pay a small subscription base. But if you go heavy, you pay extra. Most enterprise AI tools use this now because it balances cost for the company and revenue for the provider. Now here's the decision that every company from 3-person startups to Fortune 500 has to make. Do you build your own AI or do you rent someone else's? Sounds simple. It isn't. If you rent AI, you can launch in days. No data scientists. No GPU farmers, no 18-month research projects. Just an API key and you're live. That's why 90% of startups choose this path. But if you're a massive company, a bank, a hospital, a government, renting AI means someone else controls your most sensitive data. So they build their own. Costs tens of millions, takes years, but they own it. They control it. Nobody else can see it. Most companies, they'll never need that. But the ones that do really need it. Here's something that will genuinely surprise you. Building an AI model is the easy part. Keeping it working 6 months later, that's where things fall apart. See, AI learns from data that existed at a specific point in time. But the world doesn't stop changing. Customer behavior shifts. New trends emerge. New language enters the internet. And your AI, the one that was brilliant on day one, slowly starts making worse and worse decisions. This is called model drift, and it's killed more AI projects than bad code ever has. So how do companies fix it? Something called MLOps, machine learning operations. It sounds technical, but the idea is simple. Imagine hiring a team that automatically watches your AI 24/7, detects when it starts getting things wrong, retrains it with fresh data, and pushes updates without any human pressing a button. That's MLOps. Without it, your AI product slowly becomes useless. With it, it gets smarter over time on its own. Most people building AI apps today don't talk about this. The ones who succeed always do. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The next generation of AI services isn't just selling you a model. It's selling you a complete AI experience. Model, computing power, network speed, all in one. They're calling it Network Exposed AI or AI sessions. The idea, no matter where you are in the world, you get guaranteed fast, real-time AI responses. This is what powers the things coming in the next 2 to 3 years. AI copilots that work in real time, autonomous systems that make split-second decisions, personal assistants that actually know what's happening right now. AI isn't just a product anymore. It's becoming infrastructure, like electricity, like the internet. The thing everything else runs on top of. But, and this is important, AI as a service has real dangers hiding inside it. Vendor lock-in, you build everything on one platform, they change prices, you're trapped. Data privacy, your company's most sensitive information flowing through someone else's house. Bill shock, that $47,000 overnight story, not a one-time thing. The companies winning with AI right now aren't just using it. They are using it carefully. Here's the single most important thing I can tell you about AI right now. The companies that are failing at AI, they are all trying to build the most impressive AI demos. The companies winning with AI, They're building boring, unglamorous AI tools that quietly make their business run 10x better. And here's the kicker, they're not using the biggest, most expensive models anymore. They're using smaller, faster, cheaper, specialized models. Because in the real world, speed and reliability beat raw power every time. AI as a service isn't just a tech trend, it's the new economic infrastructure of the world. And whether you're a developer, a founder, a student, or just someone curious about where technology is going, understanding this gives you an edge that most people don't have yet. If you want more breakdowns like this, no fluff, no jargon, just the ideas that actually matter, subscribe to @GaganTech AI. I'll see you in the next one.